Hi everyone! Gusto kong linisin ang room ng nanay ko. Sana papayag siya na linisin ko. Actually, I started cleaning yesterday yung bed niya. Pero syempre hindi pa tapos. Tapos ang dami-dami niyang damit. Sabi niya palagi wala siyang damit. Today, I'm going to ask her to declutter some of the things because kagabi nag-promise siya. Nay, kayo konta kwarto mo, Nay. Nakapoy siya kung mapahuway siya. Ako lang kayo, Nay. Nalinis na daw, papabayaan ko na lang daw. Okay. This is the area that I wanted to address. Yan. So this is my mom's closet. Palagi lang to ayos, linis. Yan, mga damit. Hindi ko alam, wala kasi mapaglagyan. It's an open closet. Ihangira naman. Just an update. Ito pa lang yung nakuha ko sa bottom portion. And there's still a lot. Including here. Yeah. Dami pa. Oh my God! Damo-damo, gid. I don't know actually what to do. I'm overwhelmed. Na-empty ko na. But still, ara pagyapon. Okay. So, nalinis ko na. But look. There's just a lot. There's really a lot. And I don't know what to do. Okay. Finish. So, ngayon, magsusort out na lang tayo. And then after that, Magsa-sort out ng mga bagay na i-dispose. Itatago, i-keep. And someday you will sell. Okay, so magsa-sort out tayo ng mga gamit ng nanay at saka tatay ko. Ifo-fold, saka ibalik dun sa cabinet. Probably yung magandang tingnan para naman di siya magalit na marami akong, inayos at ginulo niya ng mga gamit. I think, yan, there's just too many. It's 2:30 in the afternoon and there's still a lot, but I can see some space now. Yeah, and then let me give you a tour of what so these here are still empty. Yeah, and then here are the clothes. I said, and I still have a lot here. I don't have extra hangers. Maybe I should buy one later in the afternoon before it gets dark. So I'll update you again later. Okay, so now that one is almost empty. Now I'm going to tackle this one. And look, these are shorts, skirts, these are all pants and blouses and t-shirts. So now we're going to put the bags here and also bag there, bags. Okay, so the pile here is also empty. Then the pile, this is the bags that will be thrown away, sold as well. Okay, so remaining bags, and then let's look what inside. And these are actually bags by my mother, so I just put them into the paper bags. Next, almost empty. Almost done. Okay, so these are my father's business. So there are photos of people here that needs to be delivered. These are his old cameras. I'm going to put also here the pictures. And this is a picture needs to be delivered as well. Super. Hi everyone, so I'm done. Not really done, but I feel like I should end up cleaning tonight. I think it's past 7 o'clock in the evening and I'm really tired. We started in the morning before breakfast and I'm really tired. My body is aching. I'll wrap up today. I still have trash to throw. Maybe I'll just throw it tomorrow. And clothes I have separated already. Those and I'll be selling. Those I'll be donating. Not really donating, but mostly selling. And trash, and I'll be giving some to a few people. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.